imagine pressing a button and earning over $4 in 30 seconds. I mean, how amazing does that sound? In a minute, I'm going to be showing you how you're just going to watch a basic video like this one, and then you're going to start making up to $200 to $600 per hour just by watching this video. So if you guys want to know how to do it, then make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. This strategy is mind-blowing, and all you need is a smartphone or a computer or whatever you already have, and then just do the strategy. It's 100% free. It's available worldwide. And in a moment, I am going to show you how you're going to be able to sign up for a free account and which videos are going to pay you the most money right away. I'm going to show you real-life demonstrations of how to get started and even a bonus tip somewhere along this video that's going to help you make an extra $500. So make sure that you don't skip and watch it to the end, and let's get started. First things first, you're going to go onto google.com and you're going to look up the keyword Twitch TV, and you're going to hit enter on that, and then you're going to see the first link over here, which is twitch.tv. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to take you to this website where you're going to be able to find a ton of videos and channels that you can watch for completely free. Now, most of these videos are obviously gaming videos, which means we're going to be using videos like this one to make a lot of money online. So right now, I want you guys to click on the browse button on top, and then you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to be able to browse through different categories or videos that you can watch on this website. And from there, you can actually just scroll down below, discover and explore other categories of different videos that you can want to watch. Now, I want you guys to focus on this category, which is the Fortnite category, since this is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to click on that category, and it's going to take you to the Fortnite section, which has over 60 million followers. Now, a lot of people are interested in watching these videos, so when you scroll down below, you're going to see even more videos that you can watch and make money from. Now, moving on to the next step, I want you to go to this website, which is called OKE.io. I don't know how you pronounce it, but just type it how I say it. And this is the website that we are also going to be using today to watch simple videos like this and learn how to make a lot of money online. Now, don't worry, it's super easy, super simple, and I'm going to show you how you can do this perfectly in today's video. You're going to take a look how it works. First, you have to register for a free account on this website. After that, you're going to be able to paste and you're going to be able to shorten a URL link, a long URL link. Now, let's assume that I copy this video link, and then we're going to go back to this page, and you're going to paste the Twitch TV URL link, and then you're going to click on this button to shorten the link. You're then going to get paid over and over again per click, depending on the people who click on it. You're going to earn different amounts of money based on what country these people are coming from. So, for example, people from Germany, you can earn $5 whenever they click on your link, while people from the US, you can earn $5, and that's exactly how all of these people from literally all over the world are able to make some money online, sometimes even hundreds of dollars, just to post a shortened video link here on this website. So take a look at this. There are over 370,000 people that are actively using this website and earning money daily. They can provide you with a variety of payment options like PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So I want to show you how to sign up for a free account, okay? All you have to do is click on the sign up button on top, and then you're going to be taken to this page where you can register for a new membership for free with no payment or fees whatsoever. So if you guys want to learn how you can make more money online than ever, go ahead, check out our description box down below. We have a ton of links that we have specially curated for our subscribers and our viewers. Click on those links and you're going to be earning more money than ever. More money than you've ever held and earned in your life. So make sure you check the links in the description box down below and click on them. Also, I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. And let's keep going then. So, simply enter your username and your email address, confirm your password right here. Then you're going to click on this I'm not a robot and then submit. And after that, you're finally logged into your brand new and personal account. So over here on the statistics page, which is also the home page, you're going to see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make right here on the website. So this is a brand new account. We don't have any shortened links yet, so you can see that we haven't earned any money yet. And I'm going to show you some real life examples on how you're going to do this. First, you're going to go back to Twitch TV. You're going to look in the Fortnite category for 3 videos. I'm going to click on this video right here, which is the first video, and the second video, and then the third video. And then I'm going to open up multiple browsers and open up video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3 separately. Then we're going to go back to the first video. I want you to go down below, click on the share button, copy the video URL link. You're just going to click on copy, and then we are going to go back to our accounts dashboard, which was in the other website, where we're going to enter in the Twitch TV link into the box, and then we're going to click on it to shorten. Now this website will automatically shorten this link into a much shorter link, and I'm going to copy it right now. And so I want to give you this ready-made free template script over here. So this is my Fortnite video post where you can simply copy and paste and use it right away to be able to start making money. I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the game and then say something like, for more Fortnite videos, click on the link below to watch now. And this is where we are going to attach our links to the 3 videos. And every time people are going to click on your link, you're going to get money. For example, assuming I'm going to paste a shortened link under my first video. This is my first URL link. Every time someone clicks on my link, you're going to receive different amounts of money depending on the country that they're from. Like if someone is from Norway and they click on your link, you're going to make $4, and then you're just going to do the process and repeat it over and over again and go back to the second video, click on the share button, copy the long URL link, click on the copy, and then we're going to go back to our dashboard, remove this one right here, clicking on delete, paste the new URL for the second video, and once again the website will automatically shorten the URL, and then all I have to do is click the copy button, return to our copy and paste template where you're going to put in the second link on video number 2. It's just a process that goes over and over again. Before we finish up, if you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all would be appreciated. Now let's go back into the video. We're going to go on to the third video. You're going to scroll down below. You're going to click on the share button once again. You're going to copy the video URL link. You're going to go back to the dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, and click on the shorten button. Finally, this is our third video link, which we will simply copy and paste into the script. And that's all you need to do. Now, I'm going to give you the full template, okay? So that's basically it. You just pause this video, copy it, and then just keep it for yourself. Now I want you to go to this website right here, which is a bonus tip, and it's called forums.pcgamer.com. It's a very popular, very well-known community where a lot of people discuss a lot of gaming topics, including Fortnite videos. And I like this forum because it's free and it can be accessed from absolutely anywhere around the world. There's a lot of active discussions, forums, and people just talking about gaming every day. There are over 22,000 messages, over 300 posts under the PC gaming discussion under general gaming. So let's say I click on this link, it's going to take me to this page where you're going to find a lot of different posts. Many people are already writing very short and very simple posts on this forum, and they're getting a lot of views for it. There's so many options right here on this website. Now, when I search for the Fortnite keyword, I'm going to see that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about Fortnite. There's a lot of demand, in the gaming area right now. You're gonna see Twitch TV that over 60 million people follow Fortnite videos. So this form is amazing to copy and paste and share the exact template that we just created with everyone inside the forum, and then you're gonna even make even more money when people click on any of your shortened links, and it depends on what country they're coming from. And that's exactly how all of these people are making money and how you're gonna start making money. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.